As the saying goes, big things come in small packages. This is especially true for these tiny luxury hotels, where room numbers are under 20, but meticulous service and high-end facilities exceed expectations. Thoughtful design schemes make these hotels feel bigger than life as well, but fewer people imply greater intimacy and privacy. So let's take a look at 10 incredible luxury hotels with fewer than 20 rooms. Before we get started, be sure to sub and ring that bell to get notified about our latest videos. Alright, ready to go. At number 10, the Green O, Montana. The adults-only extension of the iconic The Resort at Paws Up in western Montana is all about providing personalized and discreet service, beginning with pre-arrival survey that will help her inform an on-property itinerary that could include daily sound bathing in the forest and evening fueled by sharp cocktails. Staying here should encourage hiking and mountain biking, but if riding on four wheels is more your pace, each of the 12 houses comes with its own Lexus. At number 9, Posada Ayana, Uruguay. Jose Ignacio, a posh, busy beach town, embraced this rustic chic 17-room hideaway in December 2020, but only locals were permitted to stay. As travel restrictions have been eliminated, it's extended its arms to the rest of the globe, as seen by the presentation of the first freestanding James Turrell Skyspace installation in South America in November. The seaside-themed hotel is decorated with bright yellows, light breezy paper-thin curtains, and warm wood and bare concrete furnishings, all of which contribute to a really enjoyable visit. At number 8, Pine Cay, Turks and Caicos. This charming, car-free Caribbean island, which was formerly the owner's secret hangout, just opened its 12 rooms to guests, becoming Relais and Chateau Sol Turks and Caicos Resort. The practically all-white rooms with their 3 separate showers and direct beach access are about having a relaxing vacation. Guests will enjoy nightly happy tours with the proprietors, but there will also be plenty of privacy because of the adequate space. Children under the age of 12 are not allowed on the island. At number 7, Hotel Revesses, Sydney. Set on Sydney's gorgeous Bondi Beach, the 12-room Hotel Revesses features appealing bursts of pastel, both on the hotel's facade and inside, that complement the neighboring beach's golden blue palette. The rooms have ocean views, but it's not the only hotel feature that makes use of one of the hotel's coastal locations. The restaurant provides oysters shucked to order. Revesses restaurant and cocktail bar offer a taste of farm-to-table eating in Australia, using locally sourced foods in an in-house pickling process. And number 8, Cour de Vaux, Paris. Paris may be known for its magnificent palaces when it comes to luxury accommodations. However, smaller boutique hotels such as the tiny 20-room Pied-à-Terre and the trendy Marais district are just as ironical Parisian. With the towering ceilings, sparkling embellishments, pastel blue carpets, and mix-and-match art pieces, the rooms and suites are nestled in this modest 17th century structure, open on Square Louis XIII and its brick pink residences. What's more Parisian than coffee and croissants first thing in the morning? At number 5, Nordalaia, Italy. This brand new 12-room hillside inn lives up to Piedmont's high standards, featuring breathtaking scenery as well as outstanding culinary and wine offerings. Nordalaia is a tightly confined operation that is surrounded by 5 hectares of undulating vines. The rooms are well decorated. One has 4-post bed and rich yellow curtains, while another has a fresh coat of mint paint and a nicely molded ceiling. Nordalaia seems like a mini resort with 2 pools, a stunning spa, and 2 restaurants by Chef Charles Pierce. At number 4, Gangti Lodge, Bhutan. This 12-suite Himalayan paradise, inspired by the region's ancient farmhouses, deftly integrates traditional local decor with opulent, modern comforts. Ornate woodwork, exposed beams, and pitched roofs in the Bhutanese style are offset by freestanding soaking tubs, heated flooring, and enormous floor-to-ceiling windows that overlook the valley. Begin your day with a pre-breakfast blessing and prayer at the 17th century monastery, and then attend on-site cultural lessons such as archery before retiring to your room for a rub-down. And number 4, Dalicença, Portugal. This 9-room getaway may be buried away deep in Portugal's pastoral Alentejo area, yet it's as elegant and sophisticated as any boutique hotel in a large city. Owners Vitor Borges and Frank Laineu transformed a former olive mill into an artistic hideaway with museum-quality decor, including marble sculptures in a rainbow of hues and Jugendstil furniture. Everything calls to be not only examined, but also handled. The 9 guest rooms were precisely designed and each has a distinct architectural layout, such as one with a big pink marble bathtub and another with a private plunge pool. At number 2, Mahali, Missouri, Kenya. The greatest safari lodging options are seldom large, but Richard Branson's 12th tent camp in the Olare Montarogi Conservancy in the southwest Kenya is so unique that it was named the #1 hotel in the Travel and Leisure's World's Best Awards for 2021. The glamping experience is elevated with interiors that incorporate chocolate leather, beautiful artworks, clawfoot tubs, and plenty of outdoor areas. Plus, even in the most isolated areas of the bush, a fantastic culinary program including locally produced products and superb wines ensures high-quality meals. And at number 1, Beaverbrook Townhouse, London. The city sibling of the Surrey County of the house same name, nestled on the boundary of Chelsea and Knightsbridge, ingeniously weaves modern amenities into its old wear bones. Nicola Harding gives the two 18th century Georgian town residences a vivid Art Deco makeover. To give each space its distinct identity, a Crayola box of colors was employed, which was then enhanced with sculptural light fixtures, mix and match ceramic tiles, and framed artworks from throughout the world. If you can't be persuaded to venture out into London's huge culinary scene, the on-site Japanese restaurant will pamper you with a leisurely 20-course omakase. Well guys, that's it for this one. What'd you think about it? Let us know in the comments. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.